मुझे लगता है मैं गलत इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ। क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? मैं केवल बोलने पर फोकस तो कर रहा हूँ। शुरुआत में ऐसा ही करना पड़ता है सबको, क्योंकि बोलना बोलने से आता है। और मैं करूँ क्या? मैं जो ठहरा हिंदी मीडियम के स्टूडेंट। खैर, मुझ में तो हिम्मत है गलत इंग्लिश बोलने का। क्या आप में भी है? हेलो माय डियर लर्नर्स, नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। हाउ आर यू टुडे? आई होप all of you are very well. First of all, I would like to tell you about my channel. In this channel, I have started the series related to learning English language. Of course, broken and spoken English speaking practice. This is the video for beginners. Of course, all of you and you can watch this video to improve your speaking skills. I also want to say that in these videos, in this series, in these videos, it may be I have made mistakes a lot, so ignore it, don't consider it. I am speaking in this video English right or wrong, because my English is broken. So this is the purpose of making this video. Only focus on a speaking skill. I focus on a speaking skill. So whether it is wrong or right, whatever I am speaking that time, this is the statement I want to say. So in this series, in these videos, whatever comes in my mind, just express and speak it. Whether it is wrong or right, I don't think so about this. I focus on only speaking skill. Now let's move on to today's topic. In this video, I am going to tell you about writing skills. As we all know that to learn any language, not only English, to require to use this method, that is natural method, in which writing a skill is the important part of this journey. It means English speaking journey. First of all, how to develop this skill, how to learn this skill, and what to do for this. Start. First of all, you just think in English, and whatever comes in your mind, just write it down on piece of paper or notebook. Whatever comes in your mind related to day-to-day life, related to your goals, just write it down on a notebook. It may be your emotions, your feelings, your thoughts. No matter whatever comes in your mind, just write it down. So first of all, you need to think in English and write it down on paper. How to acquire writing skill? First of all, you have to do one thing, that is start reading a skill. The most important point related to your writing skills. Number one, you start reading. It means your reading ability decide to your writing capacity. There are many statements related to writing skill. Read a lot, write a lot. The more you read, the more you write. This is related to a statement. And another related to a statement is reading is filling up and writing is spilling out. It means how to understand this statement. Let's understand this hidden meaning of the statement. If you read 100 pages of the book, then you will be able to write only one page. So this is the statement I have said, that reading is filling up and writing is spilling out. So this is the some related points to enhance your writing skills, and this is the part of your baby method and natural method. Thus, you have already understood this baby method. To learn any language, these four skills, it means you have to work for these skills to acquire English language or any other language. Now, one more thing I want to say, that you just start writing it on a paper, whatever you like content in English in which you are interested, whether it may be newspaper, books, novels, short stories, and day-to-day activity. All these related words, think in English and search on Google and use digital dictionary, so on, and start writing from today. So this is, I want to say, this is all about writing skills. In the end, I want to say that to learn this language, you have to work for these four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This is my advice to you. Thanks for watching and listening carefully.